Okay, since the fan has no screws, it is fitting on a cushion like thing, so I will take out this tape with which it is secured in place. Quite gummy. It has a lot of gum, like our surgical tape. It's quite gummy. Oh my god. Oh my. Hold on, I'll get a tool. Okay, now I removed the tape. Now just pull the fan up. It's coming out. Okay, now what has caused this thing? Can you get that? Can you get that? See the blade here, it's almost touching. See, there's the gap here between the blade and the frame. There's a gap here, but here there is absolutely no gap. So as if this body here, from here to here, is being compressed so that the blades are completely touching the frame. What has happened? What can happen? And what caused this? See, you can see this border. It has a bend. See the bend? And then the straight here. This is straight, this is straight. You can see the gap. But here there is a bend, and that band has caused the blades to touch to the frame. Oh my, this is surprising, man. And absolutely nothing here, just the aluminum case just put there by the tapes, and there is nothing that can cause this. See, there is nothing, just sits there on this gap. The frame sits and there is absolutely no bend there. That's not the fault, but how can this fan have a bent frame? This is absolutely shocking. Absolutely shocking. Is this manufacturing defect or what? I have no idea.